AI isn't just for techies anymore. These tools can help you earn money online daily. Let me show you how. 1. Freelance with AI. Use tools like ChatGPT to offer writing services, blogs, product descriptions, social media captions. List gigs on Fiverr or Upwork. You create content in minutes and get paid per job. 2. Sell digital products. Use Canva, Hyana, AI design tools to make planners, resume templates, or social media kits. Upload them to Etsy or Gumroad. One-time effort, daily sales. 3. YouTube automation. Create faceless YouTube videos. ChatGPT writes your script, 11 Labs adds voice, and Pictory generates the video. Monetize through ads or affiliate links. 4. Offer AI services to businesses. Design logos with Looka or generate ads with Copy.ai. Offer these as services to local businesses or entrepreneurs. You provide value, they pay daily. Pick one method, stay consistent, and let AI do the heavy lifting. Follow for more easy AI income ideas.